Welcome to the 8th episode of No Root Freedom. This episode is an update to the 6th episode for running ADB commands on your phone. Only this time, all you need is just your phone. Let's get started. We will first install an app called ADB from the Play Store. It is a paid app, but it is 100% worth it, and you'll see why in this video. Once installed, we're going to enable Wi-Fi debugging in developer options. To do so, go to About Phone in Settings, tap build number 7 times, go back and open developer options. As always, if you can't find developer options, just Google your phone and Android version to find out where it's located. In developer options, we're going to enable Wi-Fi debugging. When asked if you want to enable Wi-Fi debugging, tap always and then allow. Then go into Wi-Fi debugging. Now open ADB and Settings app in split screen view. If your phone doesn't support split screen, well then you're screwed because you need a pairing code that you can get by tapping pair devices with pairing code. Problem is you get a newly generated pairing code every time you open it, but we want the code to stay the same. At the time of recording this, I don't have a workaround, but I will look around and make sure to add it in the pinned comment if I do find one. So once both apps are in split screen, type the Wi-Fi pairing code into pairing code in ADB and the IP address port that begins after the colon into port in ADB. After typing OK, you will see a hello world text and a notification saying wireless debugging is connected, which means you're now in ADB and you can run any shell command you want. If you're having trouble connecting, tap the question mark at the top right and read the tutorials that are listed here. I will also be updating the pinned comment under this video for possible fixes. Now that you have the power of ADB on your phone, tap the card above to check out some fun and useful ADB commands you can try right now. Be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, and join my Discord if you would like to have access to community exclusive content. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.